birthday gift finally arrived. Can't even reach in for a sneak peek. So this should be a nice improvement to our shop. Help us get a little bit more organized. Stop finding tools around. Alright, so it came with a nice thick cardboard, two wavy foam cardboards. And then we had all four corners have a nice thick hard edge. And then besides that, it's covered in plastic. Oh man, what a nice color. Snappy does not disappoint. So we got it up, got it in a little spot for it. Pretty nice. Comes with keys. There's also a keychain in these nice little bags. Comes with a keychain. Then you get your pull handle, 4 screws, goes on either side of the cabinet. Then all of your drawer liners, and I just went with a top liner. These holes are if you were going to put a top on it, but use those holes to screw the top down. But yeah, came delivered. Nice, no scratches, no dings, well taken care of. Drawers are just a little stiff. I'm guessing that's because there's no weight in them and they're probably maybe a little cold. It's only 50 degrees in here. But over time, for sure, those will loosen. Pretty nice box overall.